Historically, producing a high-quality video meant navigating a complex maze of specialized hardware, expensive software, and years of technical training. You needed a budget, a crew, and months of production time. By 2026, generative AI has commoditized high-end technical execution across the industry. Tasks that once defined who could and couldn't be a professional creator are now available to anyone with an internet connection. This has shifted the market's demand. Manual technical proficiency is no longer the primary barrier to entry. Instead, a significant market premium is now placed on the ability to manage and direct algorithmic workflows. But removing the cost of entry didn't result in a perfect creative landscape. It replaced the old problem of scarcity with a new crisis of workflow fragmentation. We have seen an explosion of single-purpose AI applications, each siloed within its own domain. One tool for video, a second for audio, and a third for your script. Data shows the impact of this siloed approach. 38% of creators report their top challenge is finding the time to create consistently, while 27% struggle to stand out in an oversaturated market. The old linear production model required a rigid progression: brief, strategy, creative, then post-production. Today, that pipeline shatters into a scattered collection of disconnected apps and browser tabs, creating a friction that drains human creativity. At the same time, because these tools are everywhere, aesthetic inflation has set in. Cinematic lighting and hyper-real textures like these are no longer the mark of a high-budget studio. They are now the baseline expectation for all content. In this environment, building better standalone tools isn't the solution. The systemic friction of managing those tools has become the actual bottleneck for creators. To solve this, AI is moving past its role as a tool that merely executes tasks. It is becoming a system that collaborates with creators on a strategic and conceptual level. This enables a circular workflow. Ideation, generation, and refinement now happen simultaneously, allowing a creator to see their vision in real time. This is the studio as a prompt. Just as digital audio workstations collapsed physical recording studios into software, AI is now collapsing entire visual effects and production pipelines into a single interface. Creators can instantly test ideas previously too expensive or time-consuming to visualize. Bold, risky concepts no longer have to stay filed away in a drawer. Because execution is now virtually instantaneous, a powerful, original idea has become the creator's single most valuable asset. This has made vibe coding an essential skill. It is the practice of directing an AI program through natural language to capture a specific feeling or mood, translating human intuition into precise prompts. The creator's role is shifting. Instead of working as a technical animator or editor, the professional now acts as an AI creative director, providing the taste and vision that the algorithm executes. This allows a single person to conjure complex artistic fusions and hyper-imagined visual languages that once required years of research and development. 37% of creators now use AI primarily as a partner for rapid ideation, using the technology to explore new directions before they even commit to a final render. In a sea of technically perfect algorithmic content, it is distinctive human vision and authentic taste that serve as the ultimate market differentiators. To effectively scale that vision, modern creators are moving away from the fragmented application layer and into a unified infrastructure layer. This is an AI creator foundation, a single architectural environment designed to host multiple creative domains under one roof. Within this foundation, creators use terminals. These allow them to seamlessly move between specialized audio and video environments without ever having to leave the core ecosystem or manage separate file exports. By placing infrastructure at the center, the toolsets share the same underlying logic. This reduces the time spent hunting through folders and apps, placing the creator at the center of a connected universe. As production output increases, creators face the challenge of digital provenance, the need to verify the origin and history of digital media in an AI-infused world. Systems like the POW ledger address this by tracking artifact lineage throughout the creative process. It automatically logs every step of the generation and refinement history. This integrated tracking protects rights management and intellectual property, ensuring that the human creator retains legal ownership and attribution for their final output. Artificial intelligence provides the mechanical speed of execution. But these unified foundations exist to protect and elevate the one variable algorithms cannot generate: the human soul.